Aging is a slow, irreversible decay written into our biology. For thousands of years, humans believed that it was unstoppable. But in the last 2 decades, that belief has started to crack. How? Let us learn in this video. In 2006, a scientist named Shinya Yamanaka discovered 4 special genes which are now called as the Yamanaka Factors. These genes could rewind an adult cell back into a youthful, stem cell state. This was the first scientific proof that aging can be programmable. In 2016, researchers pushed further. They didn't rewind cells all the way, but did only partway, a technique called partial cellular reprogramming. The results were surprising. The older cells didn't just look younger. They behaved younger, they repaired their own damages, and grew stronger. Finally, they reversed the markers of age. In 2020, another breakthrough shook the world. Scientists reversed aging in the eyes of a blind mice, restoring vision using Yamanaka Factors. Here, the old nerve cells became young again. And this was not slowing aging, this was resetting it. By 2022, more labs joined the race: Harvard, Altos Labs, Google's Calico and others. Some studies reversed aging in muscles, skin, and even in immune cells. Another experiment extended lifespan of a mouse by about 30%. That too without changing the DNA and just by resetting their cells. Today, the frontier is expanding. Scientists began to map the epigenetic clock. It is the molecular timestamp on every cell. Research is going on to learn how to wind it backwards safely. The goal is to turn an 80-year-old cells into 30-year-old cells without losing identity, memory, or function. But the real question is, what would happen when we control cellular age like software? Imagine repairing organs before they fail, reversing heart disease, clearing Alzheimer's damage, and healing injuries with speed. Finally, extending human life far beyond what we know today. We are not there yet. But for the first time in history, scientists are not asking if aging can be reversed. They're exploring how far we can push it. So, the discovery that could end aging has already begun. In future, the question before the human race could be whether to grow old or not grow at all. Thanks for watching. Check this amazing video on secrets of Antarctica and subscribe the channel now.